Okay, a Toyota RAV4 2010, the auxiliary. So, when this is all on, you press this once or twice to get the auxiliary. And then you get a device like this. This device is a jack. So it goes either way. Okay, let me get it. Let me get that in camera. Alright, I could set it up beforehand, but you know, what's the fun in that? So, get my hand out of the way. So that's the jack. And then, where's the camera? Oh, it's right there. Like that. Then this goes in here. Either or. And then, it goes in here. And now, this particular model, you push it that way to turn it on. See the blue light? And then, you can charge it. It has a USB port, and then on this side is, let me turn that off and take it out. This side, I hope it's not the old US, yeah, it's a micro port. I can't stand those ones. But anyway, because they break easily. And then you get your phone and you find your Bluetooth settings and search or scan. You scan for Bluetooth devices, and this particular model comes up as like C28, and then you connect to it, or it automatically connects. And then you go to your music player. I use YouTube or whatever you want, and then it'll play through your stereo. Turn the volume all the way up on your phone, and you can adjust your dial on the radio, well, the volume dial. And yeah, so that's how you use your auxiliary port to play music from your phone to your vehicular transportation that is a Toyota RAV4. All right, have a great day. What are you watching, kitty? What are you watching? Oh dear.